Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem very quickly. We're going to call this our equation 1 and we call this our equation 2. We're going to solve this simultaneously, right? Meaning that we solve both of them at the same time. Now our equation 1 is x plus y equals 6. Now from here I can develop equation 3. So that x will be equal to 6 minus y, and this will be our equation 3. By the way, you're welcome to Philco Mathematics. Just sit and watch as we provide the solution to this. Now this is now our equation 3. Put this equation 3 into our equation 2, which is xy equals 6, meaning x times y is equal to 6. In place of x, I'm writing 6 minus y. 6 minus y, then close bracket, this y will be here, and this is equal to 6. Let's open the bracket. 6 times y, that will be 6y, minus y times y, that will be minus y squared, and this is equal to 6. Okay, let me write minus y first, minus y squared, right? Then plus 6y, this becomes negative 6 and is equal to 0. What I did is to write this first, followed by this one, and 6 comes to the left to become negative 6. Now remove this negative by multiplying everything by minus 1 so that we can have y squared. This will turn to minus 6y and this will turn to plus 6. This is equal to 0. Now, how do we solve this problem? This is a quadratic equation because of the highest power of 2. Now, let's use the formula method to deal with this. Y is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Everything is over 2 times a. Now, I'm writing y here because it is what we are looking for in the quadratic equation. Now, according to this quadratic equation, our a is 1, our b is minus 6, and c is 6. Okay, so this means that y is equal to, in place of minus b, write minus 6, because b itself is minus 6, and this negative will appear. B is minus 6. Then we have plus or minus square root of b squared, that will be minus 6 to the power of 2. Minus 6 to the power of 2, right? Then minus, we have 4 times a is 1 and c is 6. This is all over 2 times 1. Okay, so now from here, y will be equal to, we have negative will give us positive 6, plus or minus, then we have minus 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 1 times 6 is 24. Then this is all over 2. To continue with this, y will be equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 24 will give us 12. And this is all over 2. Now we're going to reduce 12 into a simpler form. I mean root 12 into a simpler form, because 6 plus 1, okay, 6 plus or minus square root of 12 is 4 times 3. What I've done is to bring out the factor of 12 that's a perfect square, and that is 4. Then divide this by 2. If we continue with this, then y will be equal to 6 plus or minus. Now, square root of the perfect square there, which is 4, is 2. Then root 3. So the whole of this will be divided by 2. Right? Let's continue from here. Okay, so this is what we have, and this means that y is equal to 6 plus 2 root 3 over 2, or 6 minus 2 root 3, and this is over 2. Now to continue with this will go here and it will go there, so that y is equal to 3 plus root 3. This will go here, we have 3, this will go there, and we have just root 3. Or on this side, this will go there, we have 3. The same 2 will go here, and we have minus root 3. So we're saying that y is equal to 3 plus root 3, or 3 minus root 3. But mind you, we are also looking for the value of x. So this will take us back to our equation 3, where we had x to be equal to 6 minus y. X is equal to 6 minus y. Now, let's work. Let me divide this. So that when y is 3 plus root 3, we're going to have x to be equal to 6 minus, open bracket, y itself is 3 plus root 3. Now open the bracket so that x will be equal to 6 minus 3 minus root 3. Because negative will multiply 3 to give negative 3. Negative will multiply root 3 to give us minus or negative root 3. So that from here, our x is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, then minus root 3. So what are we saying? We are saying that when x is equal to 3 minus root 3, y is equal to 3 plus root 3. Then, if you go back to this, when y is 3 minus root 3, then our equation x is equal to 6 minus y becomes x equal to 6 minus, open bracket, 3 minus root 3. Because y is now 3 minus root 3. And x will be equal to 6 minus 3 plus root 3. Now x is equal to 3 plus root 3. Now, what does this mean? It means that when x is equal to 3 plus root 3, y is equal to 3 minus root 3. So from here, we can say that we are through. These are the two values of x and y, okay, and then x and y. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can keep learning. Thank you for watching.